Pecan ice cream might just be the best flavor of all time. Let me show you how to make an easy no-churn ice cream with just a handful of ingredients. Ever since I was put on this way to make ice cream at home, I never looked back. Whip your heavy cream until your hand falls off or until you have soft peaks. In a separate bowl, mix sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. If you want to be basic, just combine these two mixtures and you got yourself vanilla ice cream. But we're going for greatness today, so melt some butter and brown sugar. Add your pecans and keep mixing till it becomes fragrant, toasty, and sticky. Let it cool and add this mixture to your sweetened condensed milk. Now fold this into your whipped cream. I like to drizzle some maple syrup and top with more pecans before covering with plastic wrap and freezing for 6 hours or overnight. And there you have it. It's a classic for a reason. Save this recipe and start making ice cream this summer. Let me know what flavor you want to see next.